Friends, today I will tell you a very wonderful trick for calculating the difference between compound interest and simple interest. If you are ever asked to calculate the difference between compound interest and simple interest, okay? Mainly, there are two types of questions is usually asked about the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Okay, one type of question is two type of question. Okay, there's two type of question, one type and the second type. Okay, one type of question, the difference between CI and SI is asked for 2 years, and in the second type of the questions about the difference between compound interest and simple interest, the time is given in second type of question is 3 years. Okay, mainly two type of question is asked about the difference between compound interest and simple interest. In one type the time is given 2 years, and in the second type the time is given 3 years. Okay, so first we consider and talk about the time of 2 years. Okay, if you are asked the time interval is 2 years, about the difference between compound interest and simple interest, just use simply this formula which I am telling you now. Okay, p by p into r square by 100 ka square. It's very simple. Okay, or you can write it in other way like this: p into r by 100 ka whole square. Okay, this formula is for which type of question? If you are asked about 2 years. Okay, if you are given the time 2 years. Okay, for 2 years. And the next formula which I am telling you now, the time when the time is given of 3 years. Okay, p into r by 100 ka whole square into 300 plus r by 100. Okay, it's very simple. It is for 3 years when the time is given 3 years. Okay, and now, so friends, let us solve example on this formula. Okay, for 2 years and for 3 years. If you are given principal is equal to 80,000. Okay, principal is equal to 80,000 rupees and rate is equal to 4%. Okay, rate is equal to 10% per annum. Okay friends, and the time is given 2 years. Okay, how would you calculate it? Simply write down what the time is given here, 2 years. Then we will use which formula? This formula. Okay, this formula is for 2 years time. Okay, then you can simply calculate by this formula: p into r square by 100 ka square. Okay, we can put the value of principal 80,000 into what is given r 10%, and here is this square. Then we will multiply it 2 times, 10 into 10. Okay, and then into denominator we can multiply 100 2 times because there's a 2, its power is 2. Okay, so 100 into 100. So 1010 is cut, 10 and 10 is cut. Okay, and then here is 1010 cut, 1010 cut. Okay, what we get the answer? Only 800 rupees. It is the answer, final answer bachcho. Okay, and now if the time is given, let us consider p is equal to 80,000. Okay, and rate is equal to 10% and time is equal to 3 years. Okay, this is the next question, and this is first question and this is second question. Okay, now what is asked here? CI minus SI. Okay, it is asking here, and in the first question also CI minus SI. Okay, so friends, just you can consider the time. Just first you have to look at the time value. Okay, what is given the value of time? 3 years. Okay, then we will, which formula we will use? This formula is for 3 years time. Okay, CI minus SI, the difference between compound interest minus the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Okay, So simply we have to put the formula. First we have to write down the formula as it is given here. P into R square by 100 square into 300 plus R by 100. Okay. So simply we have to put down all the values in this formula. Okay. So what is the value of P? 80,000 into what is the value of R? 10. What is the power of R? 2. So we have to multiply 10 into 2 times. 10 into 10. Okay. In the denominator, what is the power of 100? 2. Then we have to multiply 100 also 2 times. Okay friends. And the next. What is given here? Multiply. Then we have to write down as it is multiply. Okay. What is given here? 300. We have to write down as it is 300 plus. What is given here? R. What is the value of R? 10. Okay. We have to write down the 10. And what is given in the denominator? 100. Okay. We have to write down as it is 100. Okay. Then we have to solve it. Okay. Firstly, we have to add 300 plus 10. What is the value of 300 plus 10? What we will get? 310. Okay. So we have to simply write down in the next step 80,000 into 10 by 100 into 100 into 310 by 100. Okay. Simply we have to divide or cut by the same number in the numerator and denominator. Okay. 1010 cut down, 1010 cut, 1010 is cut divisible, 1010 cut, and also 1010 cut, 1010 cut. Okay. Then what we get? 1010 also cut. Okay. What we get? 8 into 31. Okay. What is the value of 8 into 31? 8 was 8, 8 is 24 rupees. So friends, the next answer also we have calculated of the next question, 248 rupees. Okay friends, I hope you have understood it very well, and from this video we will never face any problem in calculating the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years and 3 years. It is so easy. Okay. If you like my video, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much friends.